Hello everyone. In this video, I'll share with you a customizable theme that you can install on any Xiaomi global device without using any backup file, and still get a beautiful interface just like this one. The lock screen clock offers a high level of customization, allowing you to change multiple colors with smooth, dynamic effects. On the home screen, you'll find a dynamic wallpaper inspired by the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, an animated clock widget, and a set of HyperOS 3 style icons. You can customize the style of the HyperOS 3 icon pack, which supports both light and dark modes. The theme also comes with an always-on display now. Let's install it on your phone. Theme app global version. My device running HyperOS 2. First, search and install this theme. Soft by new first. Install and apply. This is the interface after applying the theme featuring HyperOS 3 style icons and a transparent control center. This theme supports both light and dark modes. Back effect. Dialer. Next, open Play Store. Install PhoneWalls app. Stock tab. You can find static wallpaper here. Scroll down to find Xiaomi 17 Pro Max wallpapers. Save to device. Next, tap Live to find live wallpapers. Apply wallpaper to home screen. Next, open Theme app. Find second theme. This theme features a dark mode HyperOS 3 style icon pack. Apply icon pack to change style. Choose the icon style you prefer to apply. Personally, prefer the light mode icons. Next is the third theme. Only apply lock screen of this. Return to Customize Theme screen. Lock style, then custom. Change lock screen wallpaper here. Remove this widget. Enter Widgets screen. Android widgets. Choose Clock Widget of Sharbite theme. At this point, we've completed customizing this theme. With these themes available on the global theme store, you can easily customize your Xiaomi phone without needing to use any backup files. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.